So today I have the pet ramp here, so it's perfect for large dogs, old dogs, injured dogs, or just if you want to protect your dog's joints. So it has this nice carry handle right here on the front, and then to set it up, you're basically just going to set down, you're going to unfold it. Don't grab in here because you'll pinch your fingers. You're going to unfold it all the way out, and it has these rubber feet here and then a hook. You're going to do the same thing with the other side, all the way out. And then it's just gonna go like this. And then again, watch your fingers. They are kind of sharp on the edges. You're gonna just lean in. If you had something to hook into, you'd use the hook here. But just set it up here on the vehicle or however you want to set it up. So the ramp does hold 250 pounds. I'm 190. So if I stand on it, it's not breaking. So you can see that it holds quite a bit of weight. And then if your doors don't open like 90-degree angles, which most cars don't, it does have this kind of in the way, so you do want to keep that in mind. So I'll show you how to use the ramp. You will need to train your dog. Do it. Treats are a great way to do it. Like girl, then come back down. So treats are a really important thing. It'll take them a little bit getting used to because it is something that they're not used to. They usually want to jump in or out, and walking up and down is something different for them. So check it out.